Welcome again to another presentation from Dayo Adetiloye. Today we are going to be looking at cake business plan in Nigeria, how to write one, and the form of assistance we can do for you to write one. You will all agree with me that there are a lot of bakers in Nigeria, people that run a cake business. And a lot of this cake business, we want to apply for loan, grants, or even equity investment. And they will be looking for help, guide, assistance to write a comprehensive business plan that is bankable. And this is what we do at Dayo Adetiloye Business Hub. We run the platform called dayoadetiloye.com, where you are going to be reading the cake business plan in Nigeria sample proposal that we have put together to guide you on how to write a good one. So this sample cake business plan in Nigeria can be used for grant application, bank loans, proposal writing, business concept notes, competitions. It's a lucrative business that needs a lot of strategic planning to start. And a business coach like Dayo Adetiloye business consultants to help you to start and implement one. So I don't know the stage you are in your cake business, whether you are a new business or an existing business, then we can help you to write a concrete business plan with good financial projections for your business. So in what we have here, we have the business as cake, the industry as catering, and the hypothetical example I'm showing us here is located in Ogun State, Nigeria. They bake cake and they distribute around that city. So these are pictures of cakes that you can see. So some of the cakes that we have here, they come in different sizes, shapes, different flavors, characters, and colors. So we cater for birthdays, weddings, engagements, occupational, christening, anniversary. In the event industry in Nigeria, you must just bake a cake. So if you are writing a business plan on cake, some things that you need are industry information and insight. And over the 10 years of working with entrepreneurs, we'll be able to come up with two things for them. Number one, you can access our business plan templates. I will talk more on that one before I end this video. And this number two is that you can access our professional business plan write-up. So we can actually help you to write a business plan. Okay, so look at this cake. There are giant cakes more than this in the industry that you can do. And the benefit of your products and services will range for the provision of high quality and nutritional and delicious cake available for several varieties. So we have objectives. Your business plan should have objectives to become the premier cake producer in Nigeria, to open 3 new distribution outlets in every 36 months, to offer high quality nutritional and sumptuous and fluffy cake at reasonable prices. These are objectives you can do. Don't worry, when you come for a tailor-made business plan, or when you buy our template that is more comprehensive than the summary we are giving you, what I'm sharing with you now is like a summary of what a cake business plan could look like. So we have the vision for your cake to become the leading brand name for accessing varieties of freshly baked cake through its excellent low cost. So these are things that you can do. Then the mission, you must have a mission in your business plan. Then the management team, you must have a management team in your business plan, and you put their profile and all that. Then these are materials and machines for your cake, like industrial oven, commercial stand mixer, rolling pins, turntable, stencil, refrigerator, spatula, quarter, molds, cakes, dummies, piggy bags, smoothers, and quite a lot of things that you will need. You will also need to talk about your competitor and why people should buy from you because of high quality, excellent service, and things like that. So, not to bore you too much about this, I know you need a cake business plan. That's the reason why you are watching this video. So we are ready to consult for you. If you call our number, we are here to guide you. So for the remaining part of this business plan, including details, financial analysis, call any of our business plan consultants on this number. So we have 081 056 36015, 08076 359735, or 811 or you email us at dayo@gmail.com. So you can send a mail to us. You can check the comment section of this video. You will see our link there. You'll see this contact there as well so that you can call us. So we help institution and organization to write concepts and implement business plan. Also train on business plan writing. If you like to learn how to write a business plan, we are your go-to person. So if you want a template is something that is already written that you can edit on your own. We can get you that as well. You can download that. Then the website I'm presenting this for, I will share the link to us in the comment section. You can go there and read more on what I have for us here. So we have several business plan, over 130 business plan that we have worked on. Templates, and we can do a tailor-made one. We have poultry, logistics, popcorn, catering, fashion, vegetable farming, rice farming, transportation business plan, bakery, creche, soap making, ICT, shoe making, cosmetology, restaurant, quite a lot. We have over 130 business plan. We have been doing this work for the past 10 years. So you know that we are the go-to person when it comes to business plan development for your organization. So we want you to reach out to us. Our contact again, 081 056 36015, and you can send us a mail. So I will be looking forward to receive a mail from you. I'll be looking forward to receive your call. You can get a template that you can get right now that you can edit for your business plan, or you can contract us to write a tailor-made business plan for you so that you can use it for the purpose you want to use it for. So for more information, reach out to us. Thank you very much.